Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is going to be about the Budrash 10-inch rubber tire. One of Budrash representatives reached out to me and asked me if I'd be willing to do a review on one of their tires. Sure, and here on the Handyman Land, you're going to see an honest review of what I think about their product. Okay, let's open up our box here. Wow, it's nice. You can feel the quality. Okay, got our little baggies here. So in our bags here we have 4 cotter pins and 8 washers, and we also have our 2 rubber tires, including the rim. It's a powder coated rim at that. Look at that red, it's nice and shiny. It also includes the inner tube and 2 double sealed bearings. You can see that there. Our load range, maximum load 300 pounds at 30 psi. Now, first thing I noticed when I opened this was the smell. It smells like rubber. Yeah, I love it. The tires feel like they're not playing games here. These are some serious tires. It already comes with air. Let's put these on the cart. Now, all your parts go in this order: your washer, tire, washer. Last is your cotter pin. Here's the wagon that we'll be installing the tires on. So put your washer first. Your tire goes first in this direction. See that? Your second washer. Last is your cotter pin. Find that little hole there, slide it on in. Now get some needle nose pliers and just bend your pins. I have some material that's been in the van. Let me go get this first. Got some 50-pound bags here. Now, I have a pretty nice heavy branch that landed on my fence and broke the fence. And I'm gonna get the chainsaw so we could chop this up, and let's put a heavy load on this cart. Now, here's the branch that fell. I tried to lift and pull this back inward this way, and I just couldn't. It's not that it's pinched, it's just that it's heavy. It's a heavy load. heavy that was, but man. Let's go and see what this company is all about. Budrash is committed to provide customers with high-quality replacement parts for lawnmowers. They also aim to provide customers with quality and affordable products. Budrash is dedicated helping you find the best replacement parts with your budget and makes your appliance work well again. Well, there you have it. Hope you liked my video. That's my video on the 10-inch rubber tires that I received. I really like the tires. It's good, high-quality product. If you're in the market looking for some good tires that are going to last you for a long time, I recommend these. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. See the world on a different level.